Yes, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run Python program in Visual Studio 2026. So first here in Google search box right there Visual Studio, then go on this visualstudio.microsoft.com site. So here you can see Visual Studio 2026 is there. Let's click right now. And three kind of Visual Studios are there. So going to use Enterprise. So this downloading there. Thereafter simply you need to click on this exe file. Let's click on this yes button and now click on continue. So this here Visual Studio installer downloading the files with this speed and thereafter installing this one. So downloaded and now installing this Visual Studio installer. See this new page Visual Studio Enterprise 2026. So you can get this all, but there I'm going to select here Python. So select this one and here Python 3 out of support Python web support. Okay, this option that's fine. Let's click on this install button. So this here Visual Studio Enterprise 2026. This is now installing. Here the size is 1 GB, as well as installing and downloading the files. So you need to wait for few minute times. Or this here sign in to Microsoft GitHub, create account or escape and add the account. So fourth option that selecting there. Thereafter here you can see this all option are available. So you can select dark or light. So let's use the light option. Click on this start Visual Studio. So here you can create a new project. Options are there, and here you can select. So here by default Python application command line that's come there, or you can use this. So here let's select Python. You can get this option application. Here you can see class. So let's select first option and now click on this next. Python application, that's fine. Click on this create. So click on this create. So here creating project. So this here you can see Python application 1.py, and now let's write there print and insert the double quote writing there world hello world, and now control S to save. So click on this start. So no Python interpreter, that's fine there. Okay, so here let's go on this Google search box, right there Python, then go on this Python org site. So download here latest version is downloading. Here Python 3.13.7 is now downloading. Click on this exe file to install this one. So first option that's going to select there. Let's click on yes button. setup was successful. Thereafter, let's open this Visual Studio. And now again clicking this start. So this time Python that's detected there, and according to given code that's returning the output. Now let's include something. Exclamation sign, Control S to save. Now click on this start. So this here hello world exclamation sign that's come there on the output screen. So this is how we can run this Python program inside the Visual Studio 2026. So I hope guys this video is so helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.